Fans from the Carolinas should be kept out of the way. Welcome back. Here, in yet another secluded nook in the woods, we're going to have a look at some interesting data. Look at that. And our chart would show us that one of the top 100 altcoins in cryptocurrency is currently trading at a price right there in the top 100. There has been a resurgence in the cryptocurrency industry, particularly for Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum is supposed to go back to 1600, and a Bitcoin should go back to 23K. They've nailed it. We'll return to the 10-digit position. We currently have a lower pricing than that. If we do return, we can at least hold our ground and avoid losing more and more of our perceived value with each successive decline. We're hoping to make it to 10 digits, 10.7, and we'll be attempting to hang on to the consolidations we've been holding for the most part for months now. Don't forget to renew your subscription. Share. Let's take a look at the burn information we have today. As a result, the large advance was made without the support of this robust whale activity. Hence, it is difficult to see Terra returning after alluding to the United States crash. That's what Derek Lessig intends to do. There appears to be a lot of interest in Linux searchers, and whales may also be interested in getting in on the action. In fact, Lunar Classic's first major price increase occurred during the Wichita rally to acquire the more than 180%. Since then, the cryptocurrency has lost more than half of the gains it had previously made. On July 15th, the bulls, on the other hand, made a huge recovery. A few hours after this, the price of his product had increased by more than 20%. The money flow indicator has shown outflows in the last 24 hours, thus the lunar eclipse is trying to rally. The RSI, on the other hand, rose above 50%, confirming the strong upward trend. As a result, the upside came shortly after it was disclosed that one address purchased approximately 8.5 billion Lunar Classic and delivered it to an address with over 2.6 trillion Lunar Classic. As a result, the following bullish phase verified a few days ago that a burn is required, even though it was not proven that the receiving address belongs to Binance and Exchange's CEO. And this may indicate that the Lunar Classic is headed in the right direction. Even if the supply of Lunar Classic is greatly reduced as a result of chatting and burning, it still has certain advantages. Whale supply outflows peaked at a 43.5% level on June 12 and had risen to 43.78% by the time of publication. Whales have been unwell for the past 3 days, thus this proves that are there signs that the bullish pressure is increasing. In reality, over the final 24 hours of the 15th of July, the volume increased significantly. Therefore, the listed developers have been working hard to restore the network's former splendor, as evidenced by the considerable increase in development activity since the 7th of July. This is a positive indicator for both the network and the pricing of the Lunar Classic. It's because investors are more likely to buy when the underlying asset is significantly discounted and showing signs of robust development. There is still a long way to go for the Term Classic, but it is making progress. There are expected to be some minor burns on its journey back. And with that, we conclude our look at the world of Eternal Lunar Classic's Twitter. Keep an eye out for future posts, and don't forget to leave comments. There will be another 1.5 in the pipeline.